In a major cabinet reshuffle, Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar today administered the oath of office to 8 new ministers of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma effected the reshuffle by dropping 8 ministers to accommodate fresh faces as the coalition government crossed the halfway mark of its term. Of those removed, 4 were from the National People's Party (NPP), 2 from the United Democratic Party (UDP), and 1 each from the Hill State People's Democratic Party (HSPDP) and the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). The new entrants from the NPP include Timothy D. Shira, Brenning Sangma, Sosthani Sotun, and Wailad Miki Shila, who replaced A.T. Mandal, Rakam A. Sangma, Amperin Lingdo, and Kamingwan Nimban. UDP legislators Medba Lingdo and Lakmen Rimboy joined the cabinet, succeeding Paul Lingdo and Kermen Shila. Methodius Dakhar of the HSPDP replaced Shakliar Wardri, while BJP's Sanbor Shilai took over from A.L. Hek. With the reshuffle, Sangma retained only Deputy Chief Ministers Preston Tinsong and Sneob Halangdhar along with PHE Minister Marquis Marak from the previous lineup. The swearing-in ceremony at the Raj Bhavan was attended by the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Ministers, the Chief Secretary of the state, D.P. Walang, legislators, senior officials, and other dignitaries.